Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your phone number in Temu, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. So if you want to save your mobile number, so you do not want to type in every time when you order something, you can do it if you go to the U option, which is your profile on the bottom of the screen in the middle, and now you should see the last option is the settings option. Click on it, and now the first one is account security, and here you should see the mobile phone number option and click on the add. So here you have to enter it, click on the submit, and you are all set. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.